Let's embark on a poetic journey through the enchanting landscapes of Panchmahal in Gujarat, where nature weaves its tapestry of beauty. Panchmahal, a symphony of nature in the heart of Gujarat, where myth and history intertwine. Panchmahal stands adorned, a gem of scenic design. This is Kada Dam, which is located in the Jambughoda Wildlife Sanctuary. At Kada Dam, tranquil waters mirror the sky. Verdant hills cradle this reservoir where dreams fly. Boating, picnics, and nature walks unfold as serenity wraps around a story yet untold. Jambughoda, the sanctuary's whisper. Jambughoda, nested in verdant embrace, a sanctuary where secrets of the wild find their space. Thick forests clothe the undulating hills, and tiny tribal hamlets dot the landscape still. About 30 kilometers from Champaner, there lies a little town by the name of Jambughoda. Surrounded by lush green forests, this town is center of Jambughoda Wildlife Sanctuary. The forests here are full of teak and mahuda trees, bamboo and other lush vegetations. Jambughoda is home to large populations of many kinds of wildlife. Here you can take a small track, reach to this Kada Dam reservoir, and enjoy the scenic beauty. Although it was afternoon, we enjoyed quite a lot. Zand Hanuman Temple, ancient and revered, carved from a large mountain stone. Its sanctity is adhered. Pure-hearted offerings fulfills wishes untold as Lord Hanuman's blessings unfold. Arjun's Well, a hidden gem which whispers the tales of warriors and valor, where the time prevails. Dhimni Ghanti, the floor renders ancient sound, echoes resilience as the lap cycles spin around. Do a little bit of hike, enjoy the words written back to the ground, and enjoy the meals, snacks prepared and served by the local women. Hathni Mata waterfall. In the lush embrace of Jambughoda's hills, Hathni Mata waterfall spills its crystal thrills. 100-meter descent, a symphony of spray where monsoon whispers secrets night and day. The locals named it well, Hathni, the elephant's grace, for a rock at its base, an ancient withered face, an elephant calf frozen in stone, forever at rest, as water dances around, a divine testament. The slender tracks leading here are dirt biker's delight, through cornfields and jungles where adventure takes flight. Photographers find solace amidst the forests and fauna, capturing nature's essence, every leaf and fauna. Remember, sturdy shoes and water bottles are wise as you hike to Hathni's embrace under monsoon skies. Rock climbing is forbidden, but wonder knows no bounds. As Hathni Mata's waterfall sings its eternal sounds. Towards Hafeshwar Temple, which is around 80 kilometers from Jambughoda, and it is located on the banks of Narmada River in the area of Chota Udaipur. Hafeshwar Mahadev, submerged in Narmada's flow, its flag alone visible, a sacred rhythm we know. Shiva's ancient abode, where devotion finds its way. Amidst watery depths, whispers of faith sway. Narmada River, a journey across 3 states. Narmada River, a wanderer through rugged terrains, carves its paths across Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat. Mountains echo its song, valleys cradle its flow, a timeless traveler connecting lands that we know. Ambadungar, the hidden beauty. High amidst the rugged hills, where whispers echo through ancient stones, Ambadungar stands proud, a sanctuary of secrets and unknowns. Its name, like a melody, dances on the wind, where nature and mystic intertwine. Here, the rare earth metals slumber beneath the soil, their atomic energy welled, waiting for time's toil.